Well, hi, welcome to week 3. I think you might notice the class is kind of picking up its pace a little bit. You do need to have your textbook by now, very, very important. This week you'll be reading chapter 2, and it's about how to read an argument, okay? And, you know, you keep hearing this word argument, you might be thinking, well, gee, my topic's not really an argument. Actually, it is. Everything's an argument, okay? You take a position and you support that position. That's what an argument is. It's not a debate. Okay, and you support. Support means you find the facts, the figures, the research, the expert testimony that proves that you're correct. All right. It can be as simple as radiology is the best career for me because blah 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 blah. Right. And then you find the support that shows that this is the best career for you. Okay. You talk to career advisors. You talk to the dean of the department. You look through literature on radiology. You look where the future of it's going. That kind of thing. You know, is it really a good career? And does it really fit you? Okay. You find out by doing the research. All right. So that's what happens. So this week is a little bit more reading than normal. I want you to understand what logical fallacies are. These are very important for you as a good citizen, as a good parent, as a good employee, and as a happy individual. You need to understand when somebody's doing something to you, okay? And they do this in a large part by using false analogies, by throwing false analogies at you and getting you to say, oh, yeah, that's the case, okay? So a perfectly good example is one like this. Everybody knows, and there's a clue right there. As soon as you hear everybody knows, you know there's a problem. Okay, so here it comes. Everybody knows that the weather records, don't go back more than 100 years. Okay, well, absolutely false. Absolutely false. Not true in the least tiny bit. Okay, the glaciers around the world. I'm not talking about them melting. Okay, I'm talking about them being there. They maintain a weather record that's thousands and thousands of years old. Okay, it's very easy to read about. It's very easy to study. You can go see it for yourself. Okay, you can actually look at the different layers of a glacier and see the chemical composition of them. That's all different kinds of pollution. You can see what was going on with the rainfall. You can see what was going on with stuff in the atmosphere. Very straightforward. So it's a false analogy when everybody says, well, everybody knows that this is the case. Okay, so you need to know about these things because in your own argument, your own writing, I'm going to be looking to make sure you don't throw out false analogies. You know, I've gone through this before, and I've seen students throw together papers that are just one false analogy after another. They didn't do the research. They didn't pay attention. So you need to be doing that. So if you read through very carefully through the list of false analogies, you'll get something out of that. You're going to have fun this week. We're going to have a nice heated debate on Rush Limbaugh. All right. We could substitute Glenn Beck or whoever you want. Okay. These people are actually the king and queen. Who am I thinking of? Ann Coulter, right? Of using false analogies, trying to convince you of something that's a teeny tiny bit true, but they're trying to convince you that's totally true. All right. That's what a false analogy does. So I have a chapter from a textbook for you to read on Rush Limbaugh, or from a book of his, okay? And then I'd like for you to go through that and see if you think there are any false analogies in there, okay? And then I want you to be looking at your own 3 topic choices so far. And you can change your topic choices, okay? But in your learning diary, I want you to think about your topics. What kind of false analogies may they have? What kind of hasty generalizations may they have? What kind of, everybody knows about your topic, that kind of thing. So basically, everything we're doing still this week is for you and your topic. I'm trying to cause you to think about your topic. So even if you can't think of any false analogies for your topic, at least you're thinking about it, and at least you're thinking about what false analogies mean. All right? So think about your topic. This is a metacognitive week. All right? You're kind of doing this overview thinking. I'm trying to help you find a topic that works well for you, and you can only do it by kind of thinking. So just consider these critical thinking exercises, and that's where we're going. There's 2 discussions this week. Again, there's usually 2 just about every week, at least for the first 10 weeks. Magic number is 4. Magic date is Sunday. All right, you need to have 4 posts by Sunday night. It's that straightforward. Okay, I go in, I check that the posts have content. I'm not checking if they're right or wrong. This isn't about right or wrong. This is classroom discussion. It's traditional classroom discussion, just carried on over the internet. Okay, so the point is to get you in there, engaging you with a topic, engaging you with your peers, and engaging you with me. Okay, so you come up with 4. Response to the topic, 2 responses to your peers, 1 response to me. That's 4. All right. Usually I'm in there by Wednesday, so you can usually get these discussions done by Thursday or Friday. You don't even wait till the weekend, please. Don't put this work off to the weekend. This class doesn't work like that. All right. Okay. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me by email. I've gone through all my email this morning. Wasn't too bad. I think you all are kind of percolating along. I'll get back in this week and finish up. I've done pretty many of your topic choices already. Last week I got a lot of them done before I went off camping. And now today and tomorrow I'll finish those up. So please be sure to go back in any discussion that seems relevant. Make sure you go back and look at any commentary I have. Particularly when it comes to topics, I'll be going back into your topics. I won't be looking at your learning diaries. I will be looking at them, but I won't be responding. But I will respond to last week's discussion about 3 topic choices. So if I haven't already, please look. Okay? Enjoy the week.